Greetings, I'm Ivan Garcia, and I'm excited to announce my candidacy for the position of vending machine manager for the 2024-2025 school year. As you consider your options, you might be wondering why you should choose me for this role. Allow me to share why I am an ideal candidate. First and foremost, I am someone who values the opinions of others. I believe in actively listening to feedback and taking action to address concerns. If there's something that someone doesn't like or feels like should be changed, I am committed to making the necessary adjustments to enhance everyone's experience. If elected as your vending machine manager, I will work closely with Mr. Foster to ensure the smooth operation of our vending machines. This includes regularly monitoring the inventory, assessing the value of items, and determining if any pricing adjustments are needed. Moreover, I will actively seek input from students at SHS to ensure that our vending machines are stocked with items that cater their preferences and needs. In conclusion, my priority is to ensure that every student feels heard and valued. I am dedicated to making the improvements based on feedback and providing a positive vending experience for everyone at SHS. I humbly ask for your vote as your vending machine manager for the 2024-2025 term. Thank you for your consideration.